Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw Ethereum from Binance to Metamask. It's an easy process. All you're going to need is an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you can register and verify your account and stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you do that. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, your next step is to head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll from your overview to the funding account, and once there, select the Ethereum and select withdraw. So click on the withdraw option and send via crypto network. Now, one thing you need to note is the minimum amount to withdraw on Ethereum, and you can get that by simply providing the receiving address, which is on Metamask. So click on Metamask, select Ethereum, scroll down and click on receive. Once you've selected the receive option, click on copy and copy your wallet address, minimize and open up Binance and paste this address there. Now select the network which you wish to send your Ethereum from, which is mainly the ERC20. So select ERC20 and you can now have a look at the minimum for withdrawal, which is 0.0098. Click on max and click on withdrawal. And by selecting withdrawal, you'll be able to withdraw your Ethereum from Binance. And you can simply minimize, head over to your MetaMask and reload and simply check how much Ethereum you have. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.